Machine Learning in Medical Imaging, a comparative review of agglomerative and k-means clustering techniques. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Brain tumor segmentation is a crucial aspect of medical image analysis, playing a significant role in accurate diagnosis, treatment planning, and patient monitoring. This study presents a comparative analysis of two widely used clustering algorithms, agglomerative clustering and k-means clustering, applied to a dataset of 100 MRI images of brain tumors. The objective is to evaluate the effectiveness of these unsupervised learning techniques in identifying tumor regions and to analyze their performance in terms of segmentation accuracy, adaptability to complex structures, and computational efficiency. To ensure consistency and improve segmentation outcomes, the MRI images underwent pre-processing steps such as noise reduction, contrast enhancement, and normalization. The pre-processed images were then transformed into feature vectors using appropriate image descriptors. Agglomerative clustering, a hierarchical approach, iteratively merged similar data points to form clusters, making it well-suited for detecting tumors of irregular shapes. On the other hand, k-means clustering, which partitions data based on proximity to cluster centroids, demonstrated efficiency in segmenting tumor with more uniform and well-defined structures. The experimental findings indicate that both algorithms successfully identified tumor regions with distinct strengths and limitations. Agglomerative clustering proved effective in handling tumor with complex and arbitrary shapes, making it particularly suitable for segmenting irregular or asymmetrical tumor boundaries. However, it required higher computational resources due to its hierarchical nature. In contrast, k-means clustering exhibited faster processing times, making it more efficient for real-time applications, though it performed optimally when tumor regions were approximately spherical and of similar sizes. Visual inspections by domain experts validated the segmentation quality, highlighting that each algorithm had specific advantages depending on the tumor characteristics. The insights derived from this study contribute to the advancement of medical image segmentation techniques by demonstrating the applicability of clustering algorithms in brain tumor detection. These findings can aid in the development of automated and more efficient segmentation methods, ultimately supporting medical professionals in improving diagnostic precision and patient care. Future research may explore hybrid approaches that combine clustering methods with deep learning techniques to enhance segmentation accuracy and robustness. Introduction. Medical imaging is essential in modern healthcare for diagnosing and monitoring various health conditions. Techniques like MRI help doctors see inside the body without surgery, especially for detecting brain tumors. However, analyzing these images manually is time-consuming. To make this process easier and faster, computer algorithms can be used to automatically identify and group similar parts of the image. This study focuses on comparing to such methods, k-means clustering and agglomerative clustering, for identifying brain tumors in MRI images. K-means works by dividing the image into groups based on similarities, while agglomerative clustering builds groups step by step. We used 100 MRI brain images with different tumor types to see which method performs better. Before applying the methods, we cleaned and enhanced the images to get more accurate results. This research helps improve how quickly and accurately brain tumors can be found, aiding doctors in diagnosis and treatment planning. Conclusion. This study compares to computer methods, k-means and agglomerative clustering, for detecting brain tumors in MRI images. K-means showed better results, forming clearer and more distinct groups in the images. However, both methods struggled to match the exact tumor locations compared to expert labels. K-means was also faster and more efficient than agglomerative clustering. Despite some limitations, these techniques show promise for helping doctors analyze medical images. Future research could combine these methods with other advanced tools to improve accuracy and make them more useful in real-world healthcare settings. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.